Okay, first you're gonna open your filter slot. This is a standard air handler horizontal position. They open up with the filter rack. Insert your new Reviveaire. The arrow facing the airflow, obviously this is your return side. 1 inch. You slide it in. You tuck this harness through there. Okay? So this is pretty much what it looks like. And you're gonna close your slot back up. This is a new air handler, so obviously you would have a return duct on this side, which you would then grab your harness. You would have to drill a hole on your return side with rubber grommet, and then you would connect your harness here. Stick this wire through your hole that you're going to drill. In this case, we're going to run it above the air handler. So now that you have your wires stretched out on the top, running along the top of the air handler, next is you're going to pop open your electrical control compartment here. Pop that panel open. Go. The electrical compartment is closed. You're going to look for your power wires. This is a 208 230. You have your black and red. So you're going to route this wire through your grommet there. Put it through the hole. Right there. Okay. And now then you would hook this up. You can either hook it up to 115 or 230. In this case it's 230. Same thing. You just attach your leads to your power wire of the air handler. So the other two wires, power coming in from the switch, will go one on each side of this. You wire nut it all together and you are wired. So now then going back to the wire we ran, you could always use these those sticky squares. You basically to dress it up a bit nice, and then you put a zip tie. This is a new unit. It hasn't been hooked up. There's no power wire here yet, but if there was, obviously you turn off the switch first before anything. Then again, you would just lead to lead, and then your two wires coming in, one on each side of this, and that would be your wiring part. So we've already installed our filter in the filter rack. It's a 16 by 25. Routed the little wires through the opening on the blower compartment. Now comes with a little harness that you can either cut it short, tuck it away as neatly as possible. You plug it in. I'm not gonna cut it, but I am gonna put the stay-cons at the end of the wires, which I have here ready. Okay, here we go. I've already installed two stay-cons at the end of the wires, and in this case we're going to use in the neutral section of the board all the white wires. We're going to put one on there. Okay, and then this furnace already comes equipped with the EAC terminal for the electronic air cleaner. So you just remove that and you put the other end of the wire on there, and that's it. So the filter will be energized every time the blower comes on. And then you just tuck the wire as neatly as you can, or cut it shorter, whatever you want to do with that. And that's it, we're done.